This is something I haven't showed much in a long time. I showed it on a Browning forearm, this technique of keeping lines parallel. There's a little scratch right there. With the same setting, look, a little scratch right there. I'm just going to connect those two lines, and that's a parallel. I call them guidelines. It's just a little scratch that's parallel to my master line. And I'm going to put another one over here. It's just a little bitty scratch. You can barely see it, but it lets me know if my lines are staying parallel. I really need another one right here in the middle. It lets me know if my lines are staying parallel all the way across the pattern, and it's really handy. The reason I scratch it so lightly in there is because it may or may not land in a groove. There's a good chance it won't, but it'll get scratched away by something close to it. But in the meantime, it's just letting me know where parallel is. This is just a nail set. Just sharpen it down, grind it down to a needle point. That just helps me see how I'm going. It lets me know my progress. That little line right there for that diamond, since I have another one to go by up on the stock, I can measure that and lets me know about how long that line is, and that's about how long it is. And now I can go past that and run those lines back over. There's two lines that capture that diamond. I don't know if you can see that little scratch I made or not. It's really close to parallel with that scratch. Very close. That's how long 6 lines is. When you cross 6 lines on that angle, that's how long it is. About to the end of that. I gotta get me a tab. These little dudes right here, just snap that on the back of this cutting tool and it gives you a place to put your finger. Otherwise your finger ends up looking like that. And after a few hours, that hurts.